So welcome to you from around the world. This is the entire team here of BTAF. And if there are members on here that have got any questions, please post it and we can start with questions there if you do have it. Otherwise, I'm just going to share my screen and we can have a look at Bitcoin. The first thing that we're going to look at here quickly is we're going to look at the BTAF token, where the price is, what's happening, etc. Now, remember, in the market is a little bit depleted at the moment in terms of, let's just quickly have a look and see what is happening there. Now, remember, the market swings around every single day. Today, the market's up. Tomorrow, it goes down, up and down. These are cycles, okay? But you can clearly see here, if just from my list of coins, that we've got some coins that are doing really well. ENJ actually spiked. The engine spiked about 145% from the bottom to the top. And you can clearly see that we've got coins here like Blur. And then also more important, the reason I want to show this is if when you go here to coins like, for example, HUT. Now remember, HUT is a mining, it's a stock on the world stock markets. And they do mining in Bitcoin. And you can see there, 16% up. Riot, 13% up. And if you go down to Cypher, for example, here, and all these things on NASDAQ, all the technology stocks are now starting to move. When technology stocks move, the next move is the altcoins. And remember this now, for those people that have got the report, let me just quickly bring it up here. I think I can quickly show this just to help people out a little bit here. I think when you go down there, I'm going to show you something here quickly. In the report, it's a really important chart, this one here. When you look at the 600, the S&P 600, you can also go to the Russell 2000. What you're going to find here is that every November, what happened is that the market started breaking out upwards. And here, November 2016, it broke there and it went upwards. And then the altcoins started approximately about 3 to 4 months later. Okay, keep that in mind now. November of 2020, another break. The tech stocks went upwards hundreds and hundreds of percent. Remember, we talk about the world stock markets here now. And then 3, 4, 5 months later, the altcoins start running. Then what happened this year in November of 2022, you can see that we never really broke out here. A very little breakout there where we made money to a top year of approximately about January of 2025 was a top. And then the altcoins came all the way down. Then some altcoins like Bitcoin, for example, has also ran upwards here. But look what's happening right here. You've got a double whammy. So, for example, the market has come down, the coin has gone up, it's broken down. Remember, it's broken down. This is a big retest, guys. This is a huge, huge retest. Now, what has happened is it's gone up, and imagine there, gone up, retest again, and you can see it's turning around there. There's your first green candle there. And this is going to go back upwards, and we predict it's going to make a tremendous rally to the upside. One of the reasons that the tech stocks are going to do very well is because of this long dragged out pattern. When you have got long dragged out patterns and you look at the historical data in the world stock markets, like the S&P 500, then what happens, what precedes that is a humongous bull run. Now, keep in mind, this started breaking out in November of 2025. What is it now? 2026. You look at December, January, February, March. It's your fifth month. Month 4, 5, 6, you have a breakout in the altcoins. Keep that in mind now. When we come back here and we look at why these coins are breaking out, you can clearly see here that HUT and all these technology stocks are starting to tell us something is happening. And then also, I want to show you this. It's really remarkable for those people who really are into cryptos and understand what the Bitcoin algorithm is. When you look at this chart now of Garmin, it's going to be shocking. We're going to go back here to the 12-hour, and I'm going to show you exactly, it's in the report, and then I'm going to get into the BTAF token here. Do you know what this means? That there. This is exactly what the Bitcoin algorithm is showing. It shows that the market comes down, it forms a gap here, and then Bitcoin is following this exact entire pattern. So Bitcoin effectively sits approximately about there. And you can see that Bitcoin is breaking out here today with a bit of a retest. Do not be surprised, guys, in the next 14 days. Remember, it works a lot slower than technology stocks. That Bitcoin just has a move to the upside and you see a gap like that in the CME gap. Okay, that can easily happen. Let me just quickly go back here to the BTF token. I'm just going to refresh this. I needed to show you that background. Now you look at the BTF token and you go, okay, let's have a look here. I've said this multiple times that if you look at that box there, is that this is exactly where we are, but on a extremely large scale. This is your dwarf. This is your giant pattern that's forming here. Now, what you need to understand is that the entire market is designed to break you emotionally. And once you understand that, you go, aha, I get it. The way that you get through this is just time. You just bide your time. You're just patient. And then at the right time, what happens is the coin goes up like that. It goes up like that. And then you have a vertical move to the upside. Your 1.6818 FIP is there, guys. It is 1,700%. Now remember this, now just one caveat. I'm not showing you the BTF token in terms of a price and enticing you and telling you, hey, buy it because the price is going to go up. Remember, we are a utility DeFi project. But you can clearly see here on technical indicators, Nico, this is something stunning. I had a look at this earlier today, and this on the 7-day, that anchor position here, you cannot make this up.
Yep.
Now, look what happened here. When this just created a little cycle like this and we went up 1,000%, I reckon this is going to blow it out. I know I've been saying this week after week after week, but I'm also a patient guy. I can wait. And all we need to do now is to trade short term. When the market goes down to the bottom, we buy. When it goes up to the top, we sell a little bit. And the volatility is where we're going to make money. And there are various coins that we can make some money in. We're just going to quickly run through the website here. And if you've got any questions there, just post them down and we can answer your questions. Remember this, guys, we all need to take security very serious. The website is btftoken.io. Okay, everybody knows this. You can see it on the top there, btftoken.io. The contract address, there we go. Whenever you deal with the BTF token, this is what you need to look at, the contract address. There are so many people that are trying to mimic us. I see there are people now that they're creating these little dogs now, and it looks like it's BTF token. But you know who we are. We trade on Bitmart. You can go to Dex Tools. It's all here. Find all your information on this website here. There's a few things that we are working on that's still in the process. Like, for example, you can see here Vault 27. You can go and have a look at that. That's a credit, not a credit card, but a debit card from MasterCard associated with the company bitcointaf.com. A few things that we have there. We've got Uptrade here, which is more for people that trade, let's say 100,000 and more, where you can use them as a consultancy. You can, anywhere in the world where you are, you can use them, also just as a partner. More important, we're moving into Q2 now. The same principles are going to apply. The BTF utility expansion, like for example, our ecosystem, the NFTs, and Nico is going to show that shortly. The long-term staking enhancements are going well. The contracts are live. People are staking in them, and there are a lot of tokens there, guys. Remember, don't stake all your tokens. Try and trade them. Trade them on the bottom, trade them on the top. When they're at the top, sell a little bit. Come back and buy on the bottom. Roll your money over the whole time. That's how you're going to make money. Yeah, so our ecosystem is continuously evolving. Now, I wonder, Nico, do you want to take over and perhaps start with the NFTs? Because, man, the NFTs that you developed there's some really beautiful ones there.
Yeah, sure, Maurice.
And maybe give us a good update on that. Okay, Thank you.
For sure.
Right. Those last NFTs that you made is just really remarkable.
Yes, and it's developing and it's ongoing. So, yeah, welcome to phase 3. We call this one the Void Eclipse division of the Neon Nexus Rebels. For the Whisper Drop. Now, remember, this is part of the Whisper Drop that we developed these NFTs, and it's ongoing development as we add to this collection. But for everyone that's new and do not really know where this comes from now, this is suddenly a lot of information dump right here. We're just going to quickly go through again the Cyber Bulldogs, where it originated from, and where we are currently at. So, Cyber Bulldogs, in a fast-growing world of blockchain technology and digital assets, Bitcoin TAF token NFTs have emerged. It's a unique and exciting way to own, trade, and experience digital collectives. These non-fungible tokens, NFTs, offer a glimpse into the future of digital ownership and are making waves in the art, gaming, and entertainment industries. And like I said, now are part of our Whisper Drop. So the series that we currently have in Cyber Bulldogs, and remember, this has been developed since 2023. This has been coming on a couple of years. And we started off with top dogs. They include Tuffy, that is our mascot, that blue dog that Maurice showed. Everyone is trying to copy, but can't, because it's ours and ours alone. Top dogs, a regal assembly of 13 cybernetic enhanced French bulldogs. So they are top dogs, the top tier of the whole collection. Then we got the Blue Litter, 25 unique NFT collections where legacy of Tuffy, our cherished mascot, blossoms into a new generation. Basically, he's litter. That is Tuffy's litter. All these little puppies right there. And then the Organic Litter. It's a groundbreaking shift into the Cyberdogs, serious towards hyper-realism, fused with futuristic aesthetics. You will see them quite photogenic or photorealistic and genic pups that we have there with glasses, and looks very, very cool in a almost future setting. And then lastly, but not least, is the new Nexus Rebels. And this is an ongoing series that we've now developed for the Whisper Drop. It's a revolutionary pack of elite DG-Force French bulldogs rising from the digital underbelly to shatter the chains of the world or the virtual overlords. And this is part of our Whisper Drop. You can see right here the face. There's 3 phases that we have. We have the original 10, we got the Void Eclipse division, and now we've got the Abyss Reavers division. So just for you to make, just so you can know where we're going with this. Now the Neon Nexus Rebels is welcome to the Cyber Bulldogs Neon Nexus Rebels litter. This is not the last one which we did. You can see I've got the Whisper Drop badge right here. Now you see every art piece or every dog or every pup in this collection has that awesome Whisper Drop badge. Now, this is a revolutionary pack of elite French bulldogs rising from the digital underbelly to shatter the chains of virtual overlords. Each bulldog is a unique masterpiece blending ferocious Frenchy grit with cutting-edge cyberpunk augmentations, glowing neon circuits, bleach-infused armor, holographic cloaks, and plasma-charged trades that pulses with raw futuristic energy. Lots of trades, and we will see also when I'm later going to show in OpenSea that we have a lot of attachments and characteristics that we add to these pups that make them so collectible at the end of the day. So like we said, each Frenchie comes with a unique set of traits as well as our Whisper Drop badge. Now, the Neon Nexus Rebels, the current phases that we have. Like I said, we have the first 10, the Nexus Rebels Originals. We got the 10 bright, high-energy core rebellion, vibrant neon warriors launching the Uprising. They've been going and they've been adopted so quickly. They're really running out quickly. We have then the second one that we had earlier this year was Void Eclipse Division. It was 5 darker, shadowy elite operatives emerging from the glitchless mastering of blackout tactics and silence strikes. And then we have now currently a new one I want to show you today that we're launching today is the Abyss Reavers Division. This is the deepest, most menacing division. 5 plunderers in reality erasing threats that bring pure chaos from the void. This is our little protectors in Bitcoin TAF token. I'm very, very happy to share them with you. So the number 60 in the collection is Void Howler. This is the Sonic Void Manipulator, who unleashes silent frequency howls that delete the entire firewall segment. You can see it's quite menacing right there. We got the Eclipse Marauder, and I see people love this type of pups. We had almost a similar one in the previous collection that is really, really a favorite. I believe this one also be. It's the Armored Eclipse Raider who absorbs light and converts it into devastating shadowy weapons, almost getting that superhero look. We got the Nexus Nullifier, the ultimate deletion specialist capable of nullifying code and making targets cease to exist in the matrix. And then we got the Phantom Eclipse with these green goggles, the Firestorm coder with binary flame fur incendiary data bombs. And then we also have the Abyss Reaver, the deep abyss plunderer of razor tentacles that drip through the encrypted data vaults. So yeah, this is a new five that we added to the collection, to the series, the third one that we now launched today. And like I said, please hurry up. These are adopted fast. They are running out fast. Basically, each week we're getting sold signs on these. This was the one here on the right-hand side I was speaking about. But they more moved into that type of feel with these NFT collectibles. Then also owner creative ideas. Some of our owners sent us ideas and photos of what they are doing with these pups. And this is one of the owners of the pups that they bought. They did canvas prints, aluminium prints, cups, and coasters here. Because there was a coaster, a cup, and this one is on canvas, I believe, and one is on an aluminum board, which they then hang. And you can also print them out quite big, because remember, in Bitcoin TAF token, and when you own this, we send you the original art piece that you can print out. You can have it against your wall. You can share it. And remember, it's also tradable, and it's also, you can give it as a gift to someone. It's absolutely yours on a blockchain to own when you have it. And I did speak about the Whisper Drop. Now remember, the Neon Nexus Rebels are part of the Whisper Drop, tier 5. So if you go into my subscriptions, go right here to Whisper Drop, right there. You should have then, if you have one of these in your wallet, and remember, one of these, I'll show now, will go into your MetaMask wallet and stay there, because it's now your art. It's allocated to you on the blockchain. Under tier 5, you will see buy NFT. And once you have one, you will definitely see one total owned right here, status yes. Then you will have that tier 5. Now, this is what it looks like in MetaMask. When you have underneath, you've got a tab underneath NFTs. Just go there and you will see here, it's an example of Cosmic. There's a Cyber Bulldog sitting right here. And that is how you know it is allocated into your wallet right there. Now, remember, with MetaMask, you also go into OpenSea. You need to log into OpenSea to access and to purchase one of these. You need OpenSea. You need a wallet to open that. So this is what it looks like on OpenSea. And remember, this is a special that we currently have for the Whisper Drop and Neon Nexus Rebels. We took it way down. That it's very, very affordable for you. It's currently 0.10 Ethereum. I think back then it was about $300, if I'm right. It can be a little bit more or less where it's currently at. And you will see there's trades here at the bottom. Now, I spoke about trades earlier. That's the collectability of each specific Bulldog that makes it so collectible, because one will have a trade that the other one does not have. You go search the trades as well. So scam, watch out for scammers. And like Maurice mentioned, there's people that want to copy us. But remember, always go to, when you go on OpenSea, all the official Bulldogs will only be right there underneath Bitcoin TAF token. So how to adopt a Rebel? I'll just go here to OpenSea quickly and jump in there. So if you go to OpenSea, you'll see Neon Nexus Rebels. They're all listed here. And OpenSea, like I said, you need to connect your wallet. You see out there, connect wallet before you can do anything or purchase them. I'll just go into this guy here, Pulse Phantom. And you can see there's the price there. It's about $218 now. So it went down from the last one we saw. So 0.10 Ethereum is about $218. And this is the trades. Now you can go according to trades, and you can go see what this one has that others do not have. And it gives you, will even give you percentages of that specific trade. And also price history, everything is there about, if you want to go read about this as well. And you will see a collection by Bitcoin TAF token NFT. Now, if you click on that, I'm just going to quickly click on that. We'll go to your main page, the Bitcoin TAF token NFTs. And you will then see all our collections are here on the left-hand side, which is the Top Dogs, Blue Litter, Organic Litter, Neon Nexus. And like I said, if you click on, say, a specific dog, let's go to this guy, and it says they're owned by Bitcoin TAF token NFT. If it does not say that, it's not us. Remember, all this extra that you will receive with each dog that's purchased, like that original art piece, like the certificate of authenticity, will only be through us. So that's how we are. And remember, this is on the blockchain. Each NFT has its blockchain details right here. Go to blockchain, contact address is right there. You can go check out the contract address, the token ID, everything is here. So if it's not on here, if someone else, say, copies this and makes it like it's their collection, it's not from us. So it's only through us that you will have the original art pieces that I create, and that we post out. So Marius, yeah, I don't know if it's any questions, but yeah, that's my little presentation of the new one. So hopefully everyone enjoys them and go check them out. They are live
That's
right
awesome.
now.
I just posted it out on Twitter or X, and I said, "Do not argue with this bull." The last one you showed there. Over to you, Wendy. We want to talk about the
Yeah.
Whisper Drop. Thank you.
Yes, the Whisper Drop is still ongoing. We are going to have some tokens very soon. So you want to keep your eyes open on your Whisper Drop token wallet and have them connected. So before that happens, and then you will make sure and not miss the next Whisper Drop. The Whisper Drop has not changed. Everything is still ongoing. Just I'm going to give you an update now. Instead of going over the whole Whisper Drop, the Whisper Drop button on the main part of our website has all the information if you're interested in joining the Whisper Drop or being an outside community member that would like to go for the bounty. The bounty is still available, and we are still asking people in the community because we know people need money right now to trade with. So we wanted to give you that opportunity to help us get some Whisper Drops in and do the work, and we'll pay you for that. So we are looking forward. We have had 3 affiliates lately send in requests. So we have contacted those people. If you are on the call and you're wondering, we have contacted the 3 tokens that have been up for the Whisper Drop, and we will get back with you. But 1 or 2 of you, I don't know how to contact you. So put in a support ticket if you're one of those people, please. I wanted to bring that up because I don't know how to get in touch with one of the referrers. They don't have contact information. So we have contacted all of the token people that have been referred and that have filled out the EOI form, which is the expression of interest form. So we're working with them, setting up meetings, and hopefully there'll be some more incoming very soon. So that's it really for Whisper Drop on my end, but just a quick update. Okay, we do have some on the way. Okay, over to you, Mari.
Okay, awesome. One last thing, maybe. I think we did go through that last time. I just wanted to go and show the Git book, but we did go through that last week. Sorry, last month. Any other questions, Vicky, from your side? Anything that you want to mention there with regard to the staking? I think the staking is nothing really to say about the staking. Staking is working fine. So you can go ahead, do the staking. Okay. So remember, the staking is live. You can, over the 6 months period, you can get 2.5%. Remember, if you're an IPO member, you can log in there and you get 3.5%. You also have to remember the percentages have come down because we have started a long time ago with 65%, 35 people have made a lot of money, 35, 20, and then 2.5. Remember, the supply is getting less and less and less, and we cannot just simply go and give that much anymore. So all our members here made a lot of money with staking, made a lot of money trading it, but now the rest of the market that's coming on, you're still going to look at about 2.5, 3.5%. But that's still, remember, still a lot. And as I say, don't stake all your tokens. When the market starts moving to the upside, it's not going to just go in one line in one day. What will happen is it'll go up and down, up and down, up and down. And for us here at BitcoinTAF.com, we use our indicators. We know what the market is going to do, and make sure you accumulate. At one point, we still have to make a decision about the amount of BTF tokens. We could lock some of them up. We're still in the process. We haven't made a decision yet on that. We'll make that later in this year, but accumulate as much as you can. We want to give people the chance to accumulate as much as possible. Okay, any other questions, Wendy? See anything there or?
What do you think the market will do when Iran conflict is over?
Well, essentially, the Iran conflict is over at the moment. There's a 14-day peace deal. They're not going to fire any bombs to anybody. And I believe that this will carry on into a long-term peace deal, guys. But you also have to remember what I have been saying in my report here. Remember, we predicted this a long time ago. We were talking about the war and the rumors of wars. Let me just quickly see where that is. I think it's there. In this report, you have to understand that this Israeli war is going to carry on for 20 years. And it's going to end on November of 2044, although that is the date that we have. Now, we were far ahead with this. Remember, we saw the issue coming in Israel. We saw the issue coming in the Middle East, and we warned everybody in advance of that. So for us, it's not a surprise, really. But what's going to happen is that exactly what you read, let's say in the revelation of the Bible, for those people who read the Bible or the Quran, it's not necessarily in the Quran, but in the revelation in the Bible, it talks about in the end days, if you believe in that kind of things, is that there will be wars and rumors of wars. So expect this to be the new norm. You know, remember, it started with Ukraine, war, rumors of wars. Now we've got this war, and then we've got, you know, Israel is literally making war with everybody around the world, okay? And it's going to drag all sorts of countries in. And there's going to be wars in Nigeria. There's going to be wars in Africa and everywhere. It's going to be the norm. But let me tell you this now. Have you realized that this war in Iran has been going on for 4 weeks, 5 weeks? Have you noticed that Bitcoin has not dropped? Okay, so that tells you that Bitcoin, number one, is resilient. Number two, the world population is deaf to war now. So if another war comes out, it's not really going to affect the market. I reckon, guys, we've turned around. According to the Bitcoin algorithm, I reckon we're heading up. It's a matter of time before you see a vertical green candle. So effectively, to come back to that question, I believe the war's over. So for 2 weeks, we're not going to have anybody fire unless there's really stupid people around the world, you know? And then you're going to see a big escalation. But I also want to mention this now. Remember, the Bitcoin pattern is going to play out regardless if there's a war or not. That's just a fact. I've seen that now, and many of you have seen it since 2016. 100% accuracy on the long-term cycle of the Bitcoin algorithm, Bitcoin only. Remember, we cannot work out what the altcoins are going to do. The altcoins is kind of like a flock of birds flying behind an eagle. And, you know, the eagle's wings are just flapping these birds left, right, and center. And you don't know what these altcoins are going to do. But the solution that we have, remember, we use the indicators. You get trained, educated. Audlnauts course first, then you go to the UTC, then you start using the indicators. You cannot go wrong. I know because since November, I've been trading full time, 24/7. I'm a testament of the money that I'm making. And many of you that are on the call or listening to this call know what I'm talking about. Many are making money here now. So thank you. Great question there. Not that we want to downplay the war, not at all. I mean, it's really bad. Many of our members are in the Middle East. So we are thinking about you, praying for you. Thank you. Thank you for that question, Wendy.
That is all the questions that I see at this time. So
okay, then you can close down for us. That sounds good.
Okay, great. Well, it's good to see everybody on the call. We'll keep everybody updated in the weekly bulletins as we go forward in April. It's hard to believe that next week is already the middle of April. It's just flying by. So Bitcoin and the other coins are just running up and down, pumping and going. So we are scalp trading and we are making some good income, but there are some slow days in there. So we'll just take it as we go, but BTAF token is alive and well, and we're doing good there. So it's good to see everybody on the call, and we will see you on the next.
Awesome.
Awesome. Thank you very much.